Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you, dear students. We are learning class 9 science biology. Okay, now today we are going with the revision of chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, that is the fundamental unit of life. Dear students, previously we did the activity that have to observe plasmolysis. Yes, I hope you clear get the idea about the plasmolysis. Now today we are moving with some of the very interesting questions. Really, I will give you a very interesting questions today for this chapter number 5. I hope you will like it and you will enjoy this video. So moving with the question, we having our first question. So please read carefully the question, dear students. The question over here is swollen feet and ankle. I hope that you people are clear with the word swollen feet and ankle. जो हमारे पाँव सूज जाते हैं, getting, dear students. So swollen feet and ankle can be naturally cured by dipping them in salt water. Suggest the mechanism involved in this treatment. Many times might be you have heard at your home or at somewhere else, dear students, that if somebody having the problem means might be either he or she has swollen feet. That might be you people have heard that somebody had told them that please get your give treatment to your feet by dipping in salt water. So how salt water help them? So here four processes are given to you in the option. First is diffusion, second is osmosis, third is plasmolysis, and fourth is deplasmolysis. So from this four, you have to choose the correct one, that which process or which mechanism actually occurs to cure the swollen feet and ankle if we are dipping them in salt water. So you just have to guess all over the processes. I gave you the correct answer of this question, that is osmosis. I'll give you reason in detail afterwards. Okay, moving with the second question. Okay, the second question is which of these options are not a function of ribosomes? So first of all, dear students, you should be clear with the ribosomes. What are ribosomes? Ribosomes are called as factory of proteins, right? And also they are help in producing the enzymes. So moving with the options, we came over here. That first option is it helps in manufacture of protein molecules. So definitely this sentence should be correct, right? Second, it helps in manufacture of enzymes. Third, it helps in manufacture of hormones. And fourth, it helps in manufacture of starch molecules. And options are given to us first and second, that helps in manufacture of protein and helps in manufacture of enzymes. Third, it helps, second option is second and third, that is it helps in manufacture of enzymes and helps in manufacture of hormones. Third option is third and fourth, that is it helps in manufacture of hormones and it helps in manufacture of starch molecules. And the fourth one is fourth and one, that is helps in manufacture of starch molecules and helps in manufacture of protein molecules. So again we are coming back to our question. The question is which of these options are not a functions of ribosome? So if you will write down this second option, that is B, second and third, helps in manufacture of protein molecules and enzymes, that is totally a wrong answer, because we have to write down over here which are not the function. So which are not the function, the correct answer of this question is option C, third and fourth, that yes, ribosomes are not manufacturing hormones as well as they are not manufacturing starch molecules. They are only manufacturing protein molecules as well as enzymes. So I hope, dear students, you are clear with this question. If the question comes that which are the function, then you have to write down manufacture of protein and enzymes, and if the question comes which are not the function, then you have to write down manufacture of hormones and starch molecules. Moving with the third question. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following plastid impart red color to pomegranate? Again the word plastid came, and I hope you people are really very much clear about the plastid, that plastid is one of the organelle present inside plant or animal? Yes, dear student, plastid is an organelle which present only in plants. Also there are different type of plastids are available there. Now here the main question is about the color. If the question is about the color, that red color, that definitely you should are clear that which type of or which kind of plastid will be come over here in pomegranate. So four options are given to us, that is chloroplast, definitely not the correct answer, because chloroplast having the chlorophyll pigment which is green in color. Okay, second is chromoplast. Yes, might be this is the correct answer. Means it chromo means color and plast means plastid, colored plastid. Then amyloplast and leucoplast is definitely a colorless plastid. So the correct option or the correct answer of this question is chromoplast. That pomegranate having the red color, or we can say pink color, due to of what? Due to chromoplast present in it. Moving with our next question. Okay, the next question is pick out the incorrect statement. We have to pick one of the statement which should be incorrect. Okay, so moving with the options, leucoplast is a colorless plastid, definitely is a very true and correct statement. Second is cell wall is a non-living structure mainly composed of cellulose. It is also a correct statement. Third, Golgi apparatus act as the site of protein synthesis. We have to pick out an incorrect statement over here, and the last one is protoplasm is a life-giving substance of a cell. So definitely A, B and D, all three options are correct, and the C, the third option, is definitely incorrect. It is written over here that Golgi apparatus act as a site of protein synthesis. It is totally wrong. Golgi apparatus is attaches with the packaging of the material. So here the option C will come. Now moving with the next question, question number 6. Choose the incorrectly matched pair from the options given below. The options are director of the cell, nucleus, that is a correct statement. Protein factories, ribosomes, is now only I told you that protein factories are, ribosome is called as protein factories. Third, semi-autonomous organelle, that is mitochondria. What do you mean by semi-autonomous organelle over here, dear students? If we break the word autonomous, that auto means self and nomos means regulating, and semi means half self-regulating organelle, that is mitochondria. And the reason is also known by us because mitochondria having their own DNA. Okay, and the last one is cytoplasmic bridges, that is nucleolus. So first, second and third, that is A, B, C, these three pairs are totally correct, whereas the fourth is totally incorrect. That cytoplasmic bridges are what? They are endoplasmic reticulum. So many times I told you, dear students, that endoplasmic reticulum is called as highway system of the cell. Nucleolus is present inside the nucleus, so definitely it will not come into the cytoplasm. So here the correct answer is cytoplasmic bridges, that is nucleolus. Moving with the next question. Okay, question number 7. The cell organelle found in prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. Even you people are clear with the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes also. So here we have to find out such an organelle which is found in both prokaryotes also and eukaryotes also. So centrioles definitely present in eukaryotes but absent in prokaryote. Second is plastid. Plastid is only present in eukaryotes. Third, endoplasmic reticulum only present in eukaryotes, and ribosome is an organelle which is present in both in prokaryotes also and in eukaryotes also. Moving with the next question, question number 8. DNA stands for, definitely you people are really very clear about DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and that is our first option only. So we are not moving with the many more options over here to confuse you, because you are very much clear about the DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Moving with the question number 9. Cell wall of fungi is made up of. Now cell wall, two organisms having the cell wall. First, plant has the cell wall, and second, fungi having the cell wall. So, cell wall of plant is made up with cellulose. So, cell wall of fungi is made up of what? So, four options are given over here: cellulose, chitin, pectins, and all of these. So, which will be the correct answer? That is B, chitin. Cell wall of fungi is made up of what? Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Okay. Now the vacuoles. Vacuoles, four options are given to here, dear student. Disrupt water balance in animals, provide flexibility to plants, are small size in animal cell and large size is plant cell, and all of the above. We have to find three statements are given to us, and we have to find out which is the correct one. And definitely the third option, C, is the correct answer of this question. That is, vacuoles are small size in animal cell and large size in plant cell. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of the questions which we have discussed now only. So we have revised the answers very carefully, and also I gave you the link of those answers into the description box. You can write it down from there also. Okay, so the first question, again I am repeated over here, that swollen feet and ankle can be naturally cured by dipping them in salt water. So we have to suggest the mechanism involved in this treatment. So, and we had chose the answer, that is B, osmosis. Now why osmosis? That swollen feet and ankle results due to water retention in body tissues. Dipping the feet in salt water, as salt water act over as hypertonic solution, results in exoosmosis. What do you mean by exoosmosis? That water from the body tissues will come out in the surrounding medium, and hence swelling is reduced. So now you are clear with the answer of this question. Okay, now second question, the question was which of these options are not a functions of ribosome, and we chose the option number C, that is helps in manufacture of hormones and helps in manufacture of starch molecules. Yes, because ribosomes are called protein factories, and they are involved in manufacture of protein also, and with that associated enzymes also, and definitely hormones and starch molecules are not manufactured by it. The third question was which of the following plastid impart red color to pomegranate? The correct answer is chromoplast are colored plastid which impart color to fruits and flowers. Next question, question number 5 we had not taken the question number 4 over here. So fifth question was speak out the incorrect statement, and 4 incorrect statement were given to us, and we chose that Golgi apparatus act as a site of protein synthesis. That was our answer. Why? Because Golgi apparatus helps in storage, modification and packaging of product in vesicles. Ribosomes act as a site of protein synthesis. Now question number 6, choose the incorrectly matched pair from the options given below, and we chose that cytoplasmic bridges are the narrow strands of cytoplasm which cross the cell wall through pits. So that statement was incorrect. Question number 7 was the cell organelle found in prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes, that is ribosomes, are small globular granular structures found freely distributed in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell, and these are attached on the walls of endoplasmic reticulum in eukaryotic cells as well. Question number 8 clear to you, dear students, that is deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA is a type of nucleic acid found in cells. Question number 9 was cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin, and in plants it is made up of cellulose. And last question, vacuoles maintain water balance in animal cells, and in plant cells they provide turgidity and rigidity. So, and we chose the option, that is vacuoles are small size in animal cells and large sizes plant cells. So this is the solution to the questions which we had discussed above.